Hey you should subscribe. Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carlie Jade, and on this channel I do a lot of hair tips, I do a lot of experimenting, I do makeup, but today I am going to be talking about the new Jaclyn Hill highlighter and blush and bronzer duo. I am so excited about this, and I know she is coming out with lipsticks on the 18th. Only on her website, Jaclyn Cosmetics. And if you don't know Jaclyn, she is a makeup artist right here on YouTube. If you don't know that, go check her out. She is phenomenal. She's been doing it for years. Just go check her out. But I'm going to be showing you formula, if I like it or not. So if you want to stay tuned, then let's get on with the video. Okay, so I know I don't have a complete face on right now, but this is a blush and bronzer duo right here, and then we have the mini highlighter in ice. Now we'll have these linked down below, but I think both of these are sold out on her website, but I know they'll probably be available at Ulta.com. So if they are available on Ulta, I will leave those linked down below. First off, Jaclyn, this packaging, phenomenal. I'm a pink girl. Not only am I a pink girl, but I'm a rose gold person. It's very sleek and chic. Look how beautiful that is. I mean, this is, can you see my face? Hey. So this is beautiful. I mean, wow. And I hope this bronzer shade is a good shade for me right now, because I have gotten a little tanner, a little bit. This is the blush and bronzer duo, and the bronzer is called Golden Goddess and the blush is called Warm Blush. It reminds me of a beach chair and you're just sitting there. That sounds really weird. I am going to be using her brushes from her Morphe collab, and these I use on a daily. I cannot get enough of them. They are my absolute favorite. This is the JH02 and the JH04, which is a bronzer brush and a blush brush. And I'm also going to be using her highlighter brush. I use this all the time too. It's probably the best one I've ever had, and it is the JH09. So we're just gonna dive right into it. A little background. It says build a flawlessly blended sun-kissed bronze look with these blurring bronzer and blush shades. So I know she has about 7 of these, and they come in all different shades. And then I know she has 2 of these. She has this one and she has a more pinkier one. And then the highlighter packaging is kind of the same, but it is more rose gold. I'm trying to flash, like blind y'all with how bright my stuff is. But then it looks like this. Oh, I can already tell you, I'm going to love this. Let's do it, shall we? I even got my coffee prepared for this. So first I'm going to dabble into the bronzer and just kind of get it really good on there. There is some kick up, but that's normal. And I'm just gonna see. Ooh. I see you, Jaclyn. I see you. I really thought the shade was going to be too light for me, because I normally like a pretty dark contour, but this gives you like, wow. Just look at that. Okay. And then I'm going to put it, gotta have the double chin. And also on the forehead. Look how pretty. Like, this is the perfect shade. It's not too much. It looks like you got a good sun kiss. Oh yeah, That's all I gotta say. Now I'm going to dip into the blush, which is again in Warm Blush. Warm Blush. And it does have a little kickback, which is normal. Let's see. That is so pretty. I love like more not so bright pinks and not so dark red blushes. I like a good in-between blush, and this is that perfect in-between. Like, this is gorgeous. I love this packaging. I'm just saying, like, that is my favorite packaging of all time. I'm not even gonna lie. Now I'm going to get her H01. This is kind of like her big fluffy blending or powder brush, but I use it to blend pretty much stuff together where it don't look too harsh. But look how nice. It just looks like it's part of your skin, like you don't have any makeup on. All right, now for the highlighter. Like I said, I'm gonna be using her highlighter brush, and I'm just gonna dabble in just a smidget to see how much goes onto the brush. And again, this is in iced, so holy Jesus, look at that. I love shades like this. I'll get my big fluffy and just kind of, wow. Now I'm going to just put a smidget on my nose, and then also maybe I'll go a little crazy and just put some up here, because you can do that. You can look like you've just been sun-kissed. All right, y'all, I'm ready for a date night. Just look how pretty. Just all three go together so beautifully. All right, now I need to put some lips on. I was debating on making this video because I know she's coming out with lips like in a week, but I was just excited. I wanted to show y'all. I'm gonna put on the Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in Queen Bee. This is my go-to lip stick. Go-to. Ta-da! I know this was really short, really quick, but I just wanted to come on here and show y'all these two babies. Absolutely love them. The formula is great. It's really kind of like a creamy feeling, and it might, see, that right there is the bronzer, and it doesn't look like it's too much of a bronze, but when you put it on, as you can see, it does give you a nice little bronze. And the blush, probably my favorite. Creamy again. It's just super great. I gotta get more. This little baby is about to be my go-to. Actually, I'm gonna pop some highlighter. Yep, I am complete. But I congratulate you, Jaclyn. I will give you a 10 out of 10. I mean, this is absolutely gorgeous. Highly recommend anybody getting this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you can get my notification anytime I upload. You don't want to miss that. I promise you, you don't want to miss that. And we can have coffee together. See? Cheers. Even when it's almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you would like to purchase these, I will leave these linked down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.